So, I'm out and about. Large ang available nila na coffee. So, let's go up kasi nasa taas daw ang kids. Let's rise up in the sky. Got the festive spirit. Reading all the stories. Gathering around the fire. Shelter from the cold. At the North Pole. It's a beautiful sunny day. The birds are flying. Walang or avocado tree, no fruit at all. Let's go outside. Out and about. So our agenda for today is to drink coffee and then buy something black for the kids kasi incoming na ang birthday ng aking sister and the dress code is black. And the last one is buy gift for Kuya Coco's Christmas party. So that's it. Join me for today. So apparently large ang available nila na coffee, which I need for today. Cheers for my first coffee of December 2. So bitter. Regatta. So done for Nika. Next is I need to buy for the kids na. Sira ang escalator. So let's go up kasi nasa taas daw ang kids. So girls. Boys, aking kids. Let's look for the boys. Nandoon. Boys. Boys. Whew. Batman. Good thing mahilig sila ng Batman. Ooh. It says reflectorized print. Okay, so let's get this. Let's make sure na twinning ang kids. Hopefully my size ni Sky. So I know si Kuya Coco is size 10. So I need to look for size 2 or 4 kay Sky. Walang size 4 for Sky, so let's look for another shirt. Ooh, this is cute. This is colorful. Ooh. Let's look for size 10. Got it. So, twinning na sila. For Sky, for Kuya Coco. So, I found the print na merong size ni Kuya Coco and Baby Sky. So, let's buy. I'm going to buy for Kuya Coco's Christmas party gift for his manita. So, something Peppa Pig daw. So, help me. Peppa Pig. Oh my, for Sky. Basketball. Focus. We need to look for Peppa Pig. So, galing ako sa Toys R Us na department. Wala dong Peppa Pig and Red Block. So, I'm going to the store talaga nila. So, there, Toys R Us. Looking for Peppa Pig. Done for today. Let's go. So finally done. Wait, last stop, I need to buy donuts pala. So I need to go back to Dunkin. I almost forgot. Pasalubong for the kids. I need to go back to Dunkin Donuts. That one. Or that one. For Queen Mother. Favorite niya, Bavarian. So, na-achieve ko lahat ng gawin ko for today. So, see you on the next vlog. Finally back home, let's do a quick haul. So, nakumpleto ko na talaga ang gift wrapper kasi for the last time hindi ko nabili. But now, I found the one na gusto ko. Ito na lang talaga kasi no other time na I need to wrap. So, ito. And then, ito talaga ang kanyang print. Yan. And then, next is I bought this one for Kuya Coco's manita. So, let's look at what's inside. Wait. Naka-scotch tape siya. But it says, meron siyang 168 pieces. So, Mega Art Set, 168 pieces siya. Yan. So, in Peppa Pig. Yan. Kasi ang wishlist na kanyang manita is Peppa Pig. So, next, so, something black for my sister's birthday. So, for Kuya Coco and for Sky. Yan, Star Wars. Next, this one is for Nika. Plain black lang. Yan. So, that's it. I need to fetch Kuya Coco na. That's it for the haul.